Hello, this is Reverend Eva McGinnis, and this is my prayer for March 2022. Divine Spirit, source of all that is and who lives in me. From the great heart of all creation, we feel the divine love which flows onto and in everyone and in every situation. It is the unlimited love and peace in our oneness that we affirm today. Guide my soul to see my brothers and sisters through your loving eyes, to act from your compassion, and tap into the wisdom of unconditional love. We send our heartfelt blessings to all the people in all areas of the world who are experiencing turmoil, displacement, and suffering. Though we do not understand these harsh human conditions, we trust now more than ever in the miracles that are unfolding with your guidance. Jeshua tells us, "What you see happening now on the world stage is very much the ending of the old way of thinking. The collective consciousness is evolving to a place of wanting to know peace. There is energy that you have invited to be with you now, to allow love, to allow the visioning of a better way to live. All of you brothers and sisters who seemingly are suffering truly want to be in a place of knowing that they are okay, that they are good enough, that they will be taken care of, that they are powerful in the love that they are. You are greatly loved, and your purpose is to extend that love, to be the walking, living love to everyone whom you see, and to change their lives because you love them. Love is powerful. Peace be with you." That quote was from Jeshua, the Personal Christ, Dissolving the Veil, Volume 8. How blessed we are to be the peace, the love, and the glory of God. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And so it is. Amen.